Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable cancel withdrawal. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into that icon, and after that simply choose your profile. After choosing your profile, you will get to see this option of security. Simply select the security option, and after selecting that, scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get to see this option of withdrawal settings. Simply select that, and then you will get this option of cancel withdrawals. Now you just simply have to enable this toggle for cancel withdrawal and tap to enable, and after that your cancel withdrawal will be enabled into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.